Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) has initiated high-level meeting involving representatives of both Kuki and Meitei communities in the national capital today, with an aim to bring resolution of the ongoing conflict, which has persisted for almost 2 years. It may be mentioned that representatives of Amuko and Fox left for Delhi following Home Ministry's directive. Amuko's President Fairujam Nandoluwang, advisor Ito Tongbram and Dhanabir Laishram, along with Fox President in charge B.M. Shah, spokesperson K.H. Joni, and Ngangbam Jemson Kuman were part of the Meitei delegates. On the other hand, 8 members of influential Kuki Zoo groups such as Kuki Zoo Council, Mar Inpi, Kotu, and Zomi Council also reached New Delhi yesterday evening for the talks. The talk was chaired by MHA Northeast Advisor A.K. Mishra, ministry officials and officials of the Intelligence Bureau. According to a news agency, both Meitei and Kuki representatives agreed to sit together for talks. The Home Ministry had also previously reported that the talk will take place at 11 a.m. today without disclosing the place of the meeting. The representatives were escorted by the ministry from their hotels to the place of the meeting. People are speculating that the ongoing conflict might be resolved peacefully if both parties came up with an agreement. It may also be mentioned that in his reply to Lok Sabha, Union Home Minister Amit Shah had said on Thursday morning that the government is trying to hold joint meetings with both Kuki and Meitei groups.